Here's your latest update for the expected snow across the area. Start by taking a look at some advisories that we issued this morning. You see, it includes DuBois. I know these towns aren't showing up on the map, but DuBois, Lander, also the Cody area, Thermopolis as well, also the Absarokas and also the Wind Rivers. If you different start and end times on this, you want to know about that, go to that website right there, weather.gov/RIW. Now our confidence levels on this, much colder temperatures coming in, that's obvious. It's been very warm the past few days, a lot of record highs, almost a taste of late April or May and March, but looks like we're going back into winter, and it'll probably last through much of the week as well. Travel problems, we'll call that medium. It's going to depend on where you are and where the heaviest snow sets up. Timing of the snow, have a pretty good idea of the onset of the snow, the end of the snow still in diet, so we'll call that medium. Snowfall amounts, the models have had different solutions all over the place, so still not a huge amount of confidence in this. A little bit better idea than yesterday, though. I'll show you our ideas when we get toward the end of the briefing. As we look at time out the impacts today, not many problems. There will be some showers coming in west of the divide, but even areas where it snows up in the mountains, it's been so warm lately that during the daylight hours, let's say maybe till about 6 or 7 o'clock, roads are just going to be wet for the most part, so no impacts there. Biggest impacts will be Friday night to Saturday, much colder snow showers coming in. Now the road conditions will be worst at night, I'd say after about midnight till about 10 a.m. After that, the strong March sun angle has been warm. A lot of the snow might start melting off the roads, especially in the lower elevations. And Saturday night and Sunday, still cold, snow showers around, most numerous in the west and south. Even more uncertainty here. I'm not even going to talk about how much there could be here, since the models are basically agreeing to disagree. Now some probabilistic stuff as to how much we could get. Most places will get at least this much. This only goes through Saturday. There will be additional snow on Sunday. See many areas picking up a Cody to an inch of snow. Places least likely to see the snow, eastern Sweetwater County, for example. But most areas, I think, should see at least a Cody to an inch of snow. Highest amounts here across the western mountains, as well as around the advised areas, Cody, Thermopolis, as well as DuBois. Now this is the high end. Now this goes through Saturday at 5 p.m., just like before. Lower elevations anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches, higher amounts in the upslope areas with the flow like this, Lander, maybe DuBois as well. 3 to 4 inches across the I-80 corridor possible. Again, just a 10% chance of this, so don't think you're going to get this much. And across the western mountains, anywhere from 3 to 6 in the lower elevations, maybe up to a foot in the higher elevations. Now, our official forecast for this, again, take this with a grain of salt, still a lot of uncertainty there. Keep in mind, this only goes through Saturday afternoon. There probably will be some additional snow showers as we head toward Saturday night to Sunday as well. You can see highest amounts, Bighorn Basin might do pretty well out of this. Looks like the main moisture might come up in this area about 1 to 3 inches. Higher amounts on the western side, where there'll be some flow like this, upsloping against the mountains. Anywhere from 1 to 3 across the I-25 corridor, about 1 to 2 across the I-80 corridor. Wind River Basin, highest amounts, DuBois down to Lander, lesser amounts as you head up toward Riverton, up towards Shoshone. West of the divide, you can see 1 to 3 inches around here. Pinedale, 3 to 4 might be overdoing it there. About 1 to 3 inches across the western valleys, but I will say again, there will be additional snow probably Saturday night into Sunday, but it'll be more showery. And the best chance of that probably mainly the south. You see our resources there for weather. You know where to go, weather.gov/RIW, most accurate forecast in the area. Now for road conditions, don't call us for road conditions, go here and you get it right from the source. On the web, wyleroad.info. You want to call them on the phone if you're in state, 511. Out of state, 188 Wyle Road. You want to take a look at those webcams for yourself, see what the roads are. This is from all over the state of Wyoming. Go to our webcams by route page, go to our home page, click under local programs tab, then go on webcams by route. Be safe everybody and enjoy your day.